Ayan guys, ang daming turista. Ayan oh. Namamasyal lang kami guys. Eto, holiday kasi. So, sinamantalang namin na makapasok ang mga itong ano, para kami ay free lang. Yeah, εδώ τι κάνουμε μόνο αυτό και φεύγουμε. Έτσι.
Mama, remember what I said? €1 per foot. Every photo you take is €1.
And what about video
Ayan.
live?
Every 1 second is.
Okay, that's okay.
Oh, eto yung napakamalaking ano nila na.
€1 to pwede mo. Pwede mo.
No, it's €1 the picture. And every time
Hey, that's my work now. So,
Alexander.
Reina documents.